The Winter Palace is a palace in Saint Petersburg that served as the official residence of the Russian emperors from 1732 to 1917. The palace and its precincts now house the Hermitage Museum. Situated between Palace Embankment and Palace Square, adjacent to the site of Peter the Great's original Winter Palace, the present and fourth Winter Palace was built and altered almost continuously between the late 1730s and 1837, when it was severely damaged by fire and immediately rebuilt. The storming of the palace in 1917, as depicted in Soviet art and in Sergei Eisenstein's 1928 film October, became an iconic symbol of the Russian Revolution. The emperors constructed their palaces on a monumental scale that aimed to reflect the might and power of Imperial Russia. From the palace, the Tsars ruled over 22,800,000 square kilometers and 125 million subjects by the end of the 19th century. Several architects participated in designing the Winter Palace, most notably the Italian Bartolomeo Rastrelli, in what became known as the Elizabethan Baroque style. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.